Today we're going to do Sculptra, also known as Poly-L-Lactic Acid. As you know, they call it a filler, but it's really a biostimulator. What that means is it's going to induce your body to make collagen. FDA on label up to 2 years. I think it's longer than that. It's a powder that we suspend in water and then we inject it. Sterile, obviously. Yeah, we'll be injecting here today. We'll be injecting here and a little bit over here.
Okay.
Questions?
No.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
So the Sculptra are these white particles that are suspended in the water. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go with the nasolabial fold. We go in like this. We pull back to make sure we're not in a blood vessel, or we're not. And we'll gently inject back and forth, retrograde, intrograde, that's what it's called. And now from this same poke, we're going to come and we're going to adjust our needle and go right here to get her mid-face. Get this nice and lifted. Excellent. We're doing 1.5 syringes per side. How you doing?
Good.
Excellent. Now she needs a little bit more here. And we're going to go a little bit along her nice cheekbones. Good. Now we're going to go through here. Now we'll get the full syringe for this side. We're going to pull this back so we can really efface or lift that fold up. Now we're going to go and pivot. Good.
Beautiful.
All done. The massage is 3 minutes, 3 times a day for the next 3 months. And then 3 weeks, 3 minutes, 3 times a day for 3 weeks. And if you'd like to do more, we can do it next month. Anything else we can do for you?
No.
You're too kind. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for making the trip.
Yeah.